Assalamualaikum. I'm your host Muhammad Munib Ali. Channel name is Munib Horticulturist. Today the topic of discussion regarding horticulture is over fertilizing. Over fertilizing mean when you put extraordinary fertilizer into the soil more than the capacity of a soil. This is called over fertilizing. When you do over fertilizing, you face many of the problems, many of the conclusions like leaves shedding, leaves burning, leaves wilting, leaves browning, leaves yellowing. Ultimately, salts accumulation on the top of soil. This is also the symptom of this. How would you know this is because of over fertilizing or over watering? Because both these have same symptoms. If you have done over fertilizing, after that within 2 to 3 days, if you have observed these symptoms, so this is confirmed that this is not because of over watering, this is because of over fertilizing. The symptoms of over fertilizing, these have some logic. The logic is that when you put over fertilizer into the soil more than the capacity of a soil, these salts and these nutrients accumulate around the root zone and make a blockage. When you give the water, water cannot enter easily into the roots. So water enter into the roots through osmotic pressure. It travels through xylem and it reaches at leaves. And after that, when there is a deficiency of water into the soil, these salts, these nutrients behave like solute and they sucks all the water back, and ultimately water come back, water leaves the stem of plants and leaves through reverse osmosis process. In this way, the symptoms leaf burning, leaf browning, etc., you always faces. The thing is that how to overcome this situation, because as you have done the over fertilizing, you cannot change complete soil, you cannot change all the fertilizer from there. The simple formula is that if you have done this mistake, put some sweet soil there and put some husk there, do hoeing and shuffle it. And third, keep your moisture alive into the soil. As you will keep moisture alive into the soil for few days, so there wouldn't be happen a process of reverse osmosis. And next, you have to be careful. Don't do over fertilizing. Give fertilizer 4 times in a month, 4 times in 2 months. But be careful. You have to do your fertilizing process gradually as per the site demand. Next, I'll come with a new topic regarding horticulture. Till then, stay safe, keep watching. Assalamu alaikum.